curry. It's the real chicken curry. Okay, we're going to start cooking now. It's a time check. It's 10:26 in the morning, and I haven't eaten breakfast yet because I wake up. I just woke up and I want to eat a rice. Rice. I cook already rice. This is rice, and I'm going to cook chicken now. Okay, guys, let's start, guys. Okay, guys, lights, camera, action. 1, 2, 3. There is our chicken curry. There's our ingredients for our recipe for today. Starring chicken. I always wanted to use a chicken thigh. It's a boneless chicken thigh. Ganun. And then carrots, the tiny carrots, garlic, onion, ginger, potato, oregano leaves and rosemary, black pepper and salt. And this is the chicken curry powder and chicken powder. And this is, I use coconut milk for my chicken curry. It's usually talaga, yung iba gumagamit ng cream, gumagamit ng milk. I already tried to use milk already in the chicken curry. It's also good, but I wanted to have, since I'm from Bicol and I always wanted to cook, sometimes I've always wanted to cook like with the coconut because I love coconut. Okay guys, this is our ingredients for our chicken curry. And this is the frying pan. We have to heat the frying pan so we can start cooking because I'm hungry already. We will put a little bit of oil. Yan na guys, I already put oil. And we will saute. We will make the potato and carrots like stir fry first. As I always do when I'm cooking like caldereta, menudo, I have to stir fry first like if there's a vegetables in it or if there's a potato in it because the potato at saka the carrots, meron yan silang sariling katas. Yung katas nila na minsan nag-cause ng pagkakanis. Lalo na may there is coconut oil. So, the coconut nut is not a nut. The coconut nut is not a nut, but if you eat too much, it's very fast. I will just stir fry this for a little bit. So, mag-dry up lang yung fresh na katas niya para hindi kung sakasakali. Pero sa palagay ko, hindi naman mauubos yan dahil yung anak ko lang ang kakain yan at saka ako, matakaw yung anak ko eh. Just dry, brown this one. Okay guys, tatanggalin na natin po. We're going to remove this one so we can go to the next level. Level up. Then we will go to the next part 2. Part 2 talaga, part 2. Yan. Set aside this one and then we can start with the ginger. Make the ginger a little bit brown. Brown mo yung ginger. Yan. Then you can put the garlic. Ay, the onion pala. Matay na. Matay. Put the garlic and the onion and the ginger together. I can smell. It's delicious. I can smell the garlic, the ginger. It's so yummy smell. Then you can put now the chicken. You can start put the chicken. Yes. So try the chicken until the juice it dries a little bit. The juice it blends with the ginger and the garlic and whatever flavor. Yan. And then we will put salt. We'll put salt. Pepper. I can smell it. Mas masarap ito. Naku, umuwi ako ng Pilipinas siguro. If I go to the Philippines and I made cooking, explorer cooking, like that, I will go to the mountain and cook there. I will use the stone, I will use the wood to cook. And I will use it's nature's way. I will use the palayok. Ano yung palayok? Masarap kasi ang luto pag ginamit mo yung kahoy. This is the chicken curry. This is the curry powder, I mean. You can put a little bit of oregano powder. This one, oregano powder. You can put rosemary. A little only. I can smell. I put one teaspoon of chicken powder and mix it together. It depends on how you like the taste. If you want the chicken powder to be more stronger or more salty, more spicy, you can add more pepper in it, and you can add more chicken powder in it. But for me, I want curry powder. More curry powder. I love curry powder. Yeah. And then more pepper. And more salt for more taste. And then just mix it. Mix it together forever. Ayan na guys, medyo ano na siya, nagda-dry up na siya. Mix lang natin siya. Ang sarap niyang tingnan, oh. This is the chicken curry, Thai chicken curry. Then we can put the carrots and potato para mag-blend na siya, lumambot. Yan. Then we can add the coconut milk. This is probably 1.5 cup of coconut milk. See? And then we will cover it for at least 15 to 20 minutes until it gets so thick and tender. We'll be back later. It keeps on boiling and boiling. Yan, medyo ano na siya, kumukulo na. Pero ako, para sa extra thickness, meron na siyang coconut milk. Since I didn't get the coconut cream, I will put sour cream for more thickness and for more taste there. Depende naman sa iyo kung masyado kang yung mahilig kang mag-ano ng mga luto. Yeah, we will put cream in it. Paborito ko din ng sour cream eh. See, it will blend. Mag-blend siya ng iba. Bigyan siyang blend 45. Blend 45 ha. Sarap na ng lasa niya guys. Napakasarap na. Dapat ito may sili. Kaya lang wala akong sili. Okay lang. But the taste is good. Cover for 15 to 20 minutes until it gets tender. Ayan na siya. Ready na. Medyo sticky na siya. Ang sarap ng kanyang oil, ng kanyang creamy. Makalipas ang 32 years, wala pa ring asawa. Luto na ang aking chicken curry. My own version chicken curry with coconut oil. Ayaw coconut oil. You know, sana oil. Yan na guys, ready na ang lunch. Actually, hindi pa ako nag-aalmusal, so it's gonna be my brunch. With 1 cup of rice. Actually, it's not a cup of rice. It's isang mangkok na rice yan. Isang mangkok na rice yan. Malamang kukulangin pa yan dahil na-miss ko to ang chicken curry na may gata. Tapos may matching kape. So, let's have our dinner. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell and comment down below. Thank you, guys. And I would like to say thank you for all the support. Yung mga pumupunta nanonood ng video ko at nakakakuha ako ng maraming organic. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you. I really appreciate it a lot. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy my video today. Bye. Subscribe.